Hey guys and gals, it's Adventure Link here, back again with another video today. This time I'm going to show you guys how to do the flood clear mode on an engine with a push start button. Yeah, just like that one. The vehicle today is a 2013 Dodge Jenny Crew Edition, but it should work on pretty much any vehicle which has a push start like this. Now, as a very quick background here, like 5 or 6 years ago, at the time this video was up on YouTube, I made a video about clearing floods on engines, which, just so you know, in this case, engine flood means the engine is getting too much fuel for what it needs. And of course, I showed you some steps on how to diagnose it and some places to get started at. So yeah, it'll be up in the iCards and or in the video description. But let's just get started real quick. First thing you want to do is you want to put your vehicle in run, same as always. Next thing you want to do is that at the brake pedal, you push and hold that in, same as always. Now follow the instructions on screen, which for this Dodge Jenny, it says press brake pedal, push button to start. I'm guessing it's pretty much going to be on all push button start vehicles as a whole. So you take your other foot, push down the brake pedal, and let her rip. Right then, see how I pushed the button there to make it stop? If you just let it go and go and go and go and go, that's just it. Your starter's just going to keep going and going and going and going, thus killing your starter and killing your battery, which, you know, unlike the old key style thing, you know, take the key, put it in, flick it to start while you're clearing the flood out, and then you can let it back. Nope, on this one you got to push it to where it turns off. So, yeah, that's been pretty much my quick tip on flood clear mode for a push button start vehicle like a Dodge Jenny. I'm Adventure Link. Thanks for watching. Be sure to rate, comment, subscribe. It does tell YouTube myself if I'm doing a good job or not, and I'm not making crappy videos. Be sure to ring that bell if you never want to miss a video from me. Please don't forget to share with your friends, family, anyone else that has one of these push starts. Medical bill donations. Links are in the video description. PayPal, GoFundMe, Facebook fundraisers, Patreon in the video description. Additionally, social media is in the video description. Facebook, Twitter, Steemit, and of course on Twitch. And any amount helps out with the donations, of course, and as Games from the Grave would say, it helps keep this channel and myself alive and undead. Bye. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. And as they're at the car guy would say, be safe, have fun, and of course, stay dirty. Have a good one.